My next guest actually flagged a shift in demand with this whole AI build out, and he posted it on March 31st. I want to bring in now Niles Investment Management, founder, portfolio manager, Dan Niles. And Dan, you gave everyone a walk down memory lane. I'm curious as to, and I read your post, what exactly was your epiphany?
Well, I mean, I lived through the late 90s. And so I remember what happened then, where you had this currency crisis and the market's down 11%. But then that gets worked through. And in 1997, the market finishes up 31. And then in 98, similar situation where you have the issues with the Russian bond default, but the market, sells off 19% on that, but then it finishes the year up 27%. And so I looked at what was going on right now and said, well, much like back then, you had this tailwind of the internet infrastructure build out, and you were in year 3 and 4 of that. Today, you have the AI build out, and agentic has finally kind of hit the scene earlier this year with the whole Claude bot stuff that everybody's gotten really excited about. So I looked at that and I said, well, we can walk this war back anytime we want. And that's why I thought, excuse me, and that's why I thought that this would be similar to that.
Right. Well, you did. I'll talk while maybe you grab a glass of water. You're getting choked up, my man. It's the nostalgia and all the money you're making. I get it. I'm there with you. But you did zero in. Here's the thing, though. You zeroed in on Intel. You zeroed in on advanced materials. And again, so there was a lot of difference, a lot of things, again, you can make the comparisons. But for you to zero in there was really impressive.
Well, thanks. I mean, I think when you've been doing this for a long time, you start to recognize the patterns. And you go, well, there's also a similarity to what happened during the tariffs, right? Where you had that tweet on April 9th, and then the S&P was up 9.5% that day. And so with this war, obviously, it was started, you can end it. It's not as big an issue as you have a currency crisis, which takes years for that to build up, or, the Russian bond default, which again takes years to build up. This was decided in a day, it could end in a day.
Right.
And so that's how I looked at that, with the backdrop of AI being a big tailwind going forward.
So here's the thing, though, Dan. A lot of technology analysts, people who their sole job is to watch this, right? They missed it. In fact, today, a lot still refuse to come on board. They've been dissing this whole thing. I will note, though, Dylan Patel, who's considered one of the hottest, analysts, they do a lot more than that, but the semi-analyst stuff, he says, he made the note that CPOs are not only sold out, but that this is a CPU super cycle. He says it's about to start. Given that notion, could we see the momentum when these CPUs even go to a greater ratio, completely flip the script with GPUs?
I don't see that happening. But here's the thing with semiconductors and technology shifts. They take a long time to play out. So what you're seeing today, go back just 90 days ago. Intel, I think when they reported that quarter, the stock was down, 17% or so the next day because they had an issue and guided well below the street. This is really a watershed 90 days where they signed agreements or have a working relationship with Tesla. They signed an agreement with Google, and they're really starting to show that they're starting to fire on all cylinders. So with semiconductor companies, you can never figure out what the earnings estimates are going to be.
Right.
They're either way too low or way too high. And right now, they're in the process of getting revised higher. And you may remember all the discussions around Nvidia back in early 2023. Well, how long is this going to continue? And yeah, there's this AI thing, but how big can it get? This agentic thing, for any of your viewers who haven't used it, it's a big deal, and it's a massive time saver. And if you look at the timeline for that, Claude bot just got finalized on January 30th.
Right.
It's not even 3 months since then. So you've got at least another year or two of demand, and that's going to drive CPUs. And so I think, over the next week, given the run Intel's had, it's doubled, in the last, this year. Could it go down 20%, 25%? Absolutely. I wouldn't tell anybody to run out and buy it today. But if you're thinking about this from more of a 12-month perspective, do I think the stock's higher by the end of the year? Then absolutely.
Hey, Dan, I got a minute to go, but I do want to also make an observation to get your thoughts on it. We're talking CPUs, and everything associated with them are through the roof, to your point. They've been riding a pretty good wave. But I'm wondering about GPUs, right? Because it feels to me, from the work I've done and what I've studied, that when Ruben's going to reshift the narrative potentially. And what I find intriguing with today's session is Nvidia. Nvidia is on the cusp of breaking through a double top into a territory that we haven't seen in a long time. It's sort of making a shadow stealth move, and no one's really talking about it.
Well, the one thing on that note I wrote on Intel, I also actually mentioned Nvidia, because I think everybody's focused on all these deals with ASIC providers. But don't forget, when you have all these different models and you want to be able to run all of them well, then a GPU from Nvidia will run all of them. If you're running on a Google TPU, then that runs best against Google's large language model, Gemini. So if you want to be able to do everything in an agentic world, you may be calling up different APIs, different large language models, hitting different websites. Then a GPU also, with its flexibility relative to training, which is in a closed system, and inference, which to some degree is, GPUs also get a lot more interesting, and the stock is trading only at like a mid-20s PE, right, which is pretty compelling relative to the market. So I like Nvidia a lot here, and it's interesting, as you said, it's having a great day today, even though with that deal between Meta and Amazon today, you could think, oh my God, this is terrible for Nvidia. But I think investors are starting to see through this a little bit.
Yeah. Dan, thank you for the trip down memory lane. And again, you remain the best, man. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, Charles. You
All
too.
right.